ब्रेडफोर्ड के पाकिस्तानी नयाद नशीद आर्टिस्ट इस्माइल हुसैन का नया कलाम हू अल्लाह रिलीज कर दिया गया। खूबसूरत आवाज के मालिक इस्माइल हुसैन रवा साल मजीद 5 कलाम रिलीज करने का इरादा रखते हैं।
92 न्यूज के नुमाइंदे वक़ार बाबर मुगल से गुफ्तगू करते हैं, उन्होंने क्या कहा, आइए देखते हैं।
जी बिल्कुल, इस वक्त हमारे साथ मौजूद हैं नौजवान नात खान इस्माइल हुसैन, जिन्होंने एक नए अंदाज में नात खानी का आगाज किया है और बड़ी खूबसूरत अंदाज में उन्होंने एक नात पढ़ी है जो कि 3 ज़बानों में उन्होंने पढ़ी है। उसकी लॉन्चिंग के लिए अभी ये जो है उस पर काम कर रहे हैं। इनसे जानने की कोशिश करते हैं कि ये आइडिया इन्हें कैसे आया। जी,
So the idea is our new project is called Project 5, and Project 5 is a series of 5 English faith-inspired nasheeds. So myself and my team have been working on this project for 2 or 3 years now, and what it consists of is nasheeds in, like I said, 3 different languages: Urdu, English and Arabic, and it's something for the youth. So we've been working on this for 2 or 3 years now, and I think it's something that's needed in this day and age, something for the youth, so the youth can not only listen and enjoy, but they can also learn something from this too, inshallah.
आपकी ये खूबसूरत नात जो है ये अभी स्क्रीन पे भी चल रही है, लोग इसको सुन भी रहे हैं। आपने नात जो है ये कब किस उम्र में आपने जो है नात पढ़ना शुरू किया था?
So I started first reciting naats when I was around 7 years old. So alhamdulillah, I've been reciting naats for 10 years now, but I've mainly been reciting naats in Punjabi and Urdu. So now I thought it was time for a change and do something in English. So because most of the people that do listen to my naats are youngsters and they don't understand Punjabi or Urdu. So I think this project will be something new for the youth, so they can understand, enjoy and definitely learn something from this too.
फ्यूचर में आपका क्या करने का इरादा है इसके अलावा?
Definitely work on more nasheeds. So I have, like I said, I have been doing Urdu and Punjabi, and this is a new journey for me, and inshallah I would like to carry this journey on in the future, release more nasheeds in English, Arabic and many different other languages too.
Any message for youngster?
One message I would just like to give is just stay off the streets, do what you enjoy. My passion is reciting naats and nasheeds. That's why I'm here reciting nasheeds, and just do what you enjoy, keep your parents proud, stay off the streets and stay in good company. But the main thing is keeping your parents proud, because I believe that the reason I am where I am today, traveling the world, touring the world, is because of the du'as of my parents. So definitely keep your parents happy and just do what you enjoy.